Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Money and respect by dealing drugs. Chasing waterfalls is TLC's way of expressing how people chase intangible dreams with no thought of the consequences. The first verse is talking about an inner-city mother and son relationship. He is chasing waterfalls, money and respect by dealing drugs. But his mother knows this cannot end well.
Take our lead.
TLC's Waterfalls is based on people pursuing self-destructive ambitions. And these dangerous desires are termed as waterfalls. In other words, when TLC says, "Don't go chasing waterfalls," this can be interpreted as, "Do not engage in the pursuit of self-destructive ambitions." Point 6 April 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.